Kigomano giki kiria kiranjiriirie muthenya wa ira kiri na muoroto wa guteithia na kunyitirira arutwo aria meyumiritie na uthunduri mweru guku murugamiriri munene wa ruhonge rwa uthunduri bururi-ini Kenya Tony Omwanza agitugiria arutwo wa guku kuona university no irongoreirie makiria hari uthunduri maundu-ini ma ugendi uria mangigacirithio hamwe na uria maria maruturigiceirie mangithaitirwo.
And the niche is around tourism, environmental resource management and conservation. And no wonder the title I was asked to talk about is innovation or innovative and sustainable solutions for environmental conservation.
Rauga bururi-ini ma university maingi arutwo aria mari na iheo cia guthundura maundu meru matireyumiria na njira nene akihoya ingi meyumirie mbere ya tariki 12 mweri uyu niguo ruhonge rwao rukahota kumateithia.
We asked for universities to work through their institutional working groups to get students to participate. We still have the 12th of May, if I'm not wrong, so a few more days. And part of that program is to help us identify the most promising innovators.
Rugamiriri wa thukuru uyu Professor Penina Alo akiuga muoroto wake ni kuona university iyo ni imwe ya university iria njega hari uthunduri wa maundu meru thiini wa thi.
I will tell you without fear of contradiction that I see Masai Mara University being ranked among the top innovation universities, not only in Kenya, not in the East African region, not in Africa, but globally.
Amwe arutwo aria maratuonirie maundu maria manjiriirie ni mahoete manyitwo guoko amwe magithondeka makara kuhuthira giko niguo kugitira maria maturigiceirie.
Trying to protect the Mara River by protecting the Mau forest, by enhancing the reduction of tree cuttages for firewood production.
So on the energy section, we have got the biogas catalyst. We have got the biogas catalyst. We've got two kinds of biogas catalyst. It improves the production.
Handu-ini ha Inooro TV kuma kaunti-ini ya Narok, ritwa riakwa ni Wanyoike Wambu.